In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Bluetooth from turning off automatically in Windows 11 Fix Today here. Let's begin. Start by opening the search icon on your taskbar. Type Control Panel and press Enter. Once you're inside, head over to the search box in the top right corner, type Power Options, and select it from the results. Here, make sure the balanced power plan is selected, as this helps prevent aggressive power-saving behavior that can disable Bluetooth. Once confirmed, you can close the window. Next, click the search icon again, type Troubleshoot Settings, and press Enter. Inside this menu, click on Other Troubleshooters, then find Bluetooth and click the Run button beside it. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and let Windows automatically detect and fix any issues, especially those related to power or connectivity. After that, open the search icon once more, type Device Manager, and press Enter. In Device Manager, locate the Bluetooth section and click the arrow beside it to expand. Right-click your Bluetooth adapter and choose Properties. Go to the Power Management tab and uncheck the option that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, then click OK. This step is important because it stops Windows from disabling Bluetooth to conserve energy. If you don't see the Power Management tab, right-click the adapter again and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then click. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the most recent driver from the list and click next to reinstall it, which can restore missing options. Now open Settings and click on Network and Internet. Make sure airplane mode is turned off, since this can disable Bluetooth entirely. Then go to System, select Power and Battery, and expand Screen and Sleep. Set both sleep timers for on battery and plugged in to never or longer duration, so your system doesn't power down Bluetooth too quickly. Finally, restart your computer to apply all the changes. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.